Well, talking about the top 5 programming languages that you need to learn in 2022. Let me tell you something that many people ask this question. If you are coming from programming background, people are fascinated to learn programming languages. If you already know some programming languages, it makes your life even easier to learn more and more programming languages. This video is completely dedicated to this topic where we shall be talking about the top 5 programming languages that you need to learn in 2022. This list is completely based on my opinions, so let's not get biased with it, but I have done my research. I have checked online, I have checked the number of jobs, I have talked to various developers because I have been working with edutech industry from quite a long time, so I know the market and trends. So we'll talk about these top 5 programming languages. Now starting with the rank 5 language, I would rate R language to be on number 5. So R has seen an exponential rise in its ranking on various reputed indexes for programming languages. Various big companies like Facebook, Google, Uber, etc. are using the language. And considering the rapidly increasing demand of data science and machine learning trends, learning R language is surely worthwhile for your future career endeavors. What exactly this means is R programming language is mostly used for the analytical domains. However, there are other languages which are also preferred on top of R, but R is also used in various industries. And that is the reason R is present in our top 5 list. Talking about number 4, this is one of my favorite language because I started my career with Java. Java, many times it seems out that Java is losing its charm. But when we look at the actual stats every year, Java ends up with a really good ranking that proves the particular language is still doing well and in demand in the tech world. There are around 8 million Java developers across the world. Maybe this number can help you to assess the demand and popularity of this particular language. Okay, not talking about the theoretical parts which has been mentioned here, but to be very honest, Java will definitely be on the top 5 list. There are various other languages which are trying to push Java out of the top 5 bucket, but it will still be there. It is there and it will continue to be there for the next couple of years. I'm not pretty sure about 5 years down the line, but at least in 2022, Java is still hot. Number 3, I will give to C++. Again, C++ are the languages which are taught way back in colleges, right? Both C and C++ are occupying a considerable portions of the tech world and currently ranking at the top positions on various indexes. Very widely used if you are looking out for purely programming background or purely programming career path, then you can also start learning C++. But C++ is recommended. Now, on top of my list on rank 2, there is Python. Well, this video is not about data science and analytics. This is a very general video on programming languages, and that is one of the reasons why Python is on number 2. If you ask me about data science and analytics, machine learning, deep learning, definitely without any doubt, Python will be my number 1 choice. But this video is all about programming languages that you need to learn in 2022. So Python is on my number 2. It's perhaps the most user-friendly language. I don't have to talk about Python. You can check out my other videos on this channel. Python is mind-blowing. It's a high-level language, object-oriented language. Very, very, very easy to code and learn and implement as well. So a lot of benefits are there. Apart from that, Python is also widely used for various data science, machine learning, all these kind of technologies as well. Okay, number 1 on the list has to be JavaScript. It's impossible to be a software developer these days without JavaScript in some way. Along with HTML and CSS, JavaScript is essential to front-end web development. A majority of the web's most popular sites like Facebook, Twitter, Gmail, YouTube rely on JavaScript. So that is the reason JavaScript is on number 1. So you have to decide if you want to take a career in tech, maybe in programming, then JavaScript has to be your first choice. But in case your career path is little bit inclined towards machine learning, AI, computer vision and all these things, probably JavaScript will slowly move into the second number and Python will be your first priority. So that's all about this particular video. In case you find any discrepancy in the video, if you think any other language is top 5 should be on top 5, then probably comment down below. I know there are many languages like Ruby, Scala who are actually moving very fast to be in the top 5 bucket. You never know, in the next year or next 2 years it could be in top 5 as well. But as of now, this is my list. That's all about this video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Press the bell icon to get notified on my future videos, and don't forget to comment down in the comment section below how you feel about the video, because I have been telling this since quite a long time that comments comment is very important. And if you are able to try, in a way you can help me out in getting more subscribers. How you can help me out is try to use some of my keywords. Let's say this video is top 5 programming languages, try to search more on YouTube top 5 programming languages Satyajit or some related keywords, and that will help me in getting more subscribers and more recommendations from YouTube. Well, that's all about this video. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.